So we're going to be using the elegant borders, okay, from the 1 day special. So these are really, really beautiful. You've got roses, you've got intertwining florals, you've got a beautiful heart style one there. You've got ones here that I think look like chunks of chocolate, and you've got here which is like a cane with florals twisted around it. So there's the 5 elements there. So what we're going to be doing this time round is, let's just grab a brush. We're just going to use some corn flour in the mould like we always do. Okay, so just tap that one out. Okay, we're just going to use some clay and we're going to press that into the mould, just using our fingers to start with. Okay, so just go in there. So just make up your border. Okay, so just press that all the way up and to there. Just pop some more into there. We're just going to use the roller and we're just going to run that. We're not actually rolling it, we're just pulling it along the length there. We're just going to use a Dresden tool and we're just going to go in and we're just going to press and make sure all of that clay is actually sitting in the mould itself and not on the top part of the wall. So just keep on pressing that in. If you need any more clay, then just grab yourself some and you just want to make sure that's in there like so. Okay, right, so all of the clay is in there. It's all tucked from round the edge, okay, and then just help it just at one end, okay, so that is free. Then flip that over and then just quickly, literally the clay does fall out. Now when it's in that state, so it hasn't actually dried, obviously you can twist that, you can make a circle, maybe add another 1 or 2 to make a full circle. In this instance, we're actually going to put it around a glass jar. Okay, so the medium you're going to be wanting to do that with is this one here, which is the 3D gloss gel. Okay, so let's just take that one off. Okay, this is a glue. It's also can be used with stencils, and you can also use it to basically pop onto glass and give it that sort of like frosted type of effect. So we're just going to go just very, very quickly here. Don't worry, because it will dry completely transparent. Okay, so just go all the way around there. So obviously you want enough, and then just place the item around there, and that is going to dry. Okay, and it's going to hold that in place, and it's also, the clay is going to also hold its shape. Now, as I said, what I've actually done, I've used another brush, okay, and I've just gone in to our 3D gel, and I've literally just blobbed it all over to give that frosted effect. Now, I will show you what I'm going to be achieving in a moment, but I've stuck some other embellishments using the other 1 day special mould, which is the Regal Findings. So I've chose some bumblebees and I've chose some of the beautiful butterflies on there. I've also used some from the Botanist Floral mould as well, so which is a couple of the leaves. I think it was this one down here, and I've stuck those sort of like in a nice pattern on there. So as you can see now, literally I am just blobbing this on. Okay, so you just want the brush to like spray out a little bit, and it's going to give you that beautiful effect. Now, as I said, stick your embellishments on first and then go over like this, or you can do this and stick your embellishments as you go. Entirely up to you, whichever way you want to work. So just keep on going all over your glass, okay, like so. I'm just going to place that one aside. I'm just going to bring in what it actually will look like eventually. So you can see that is the finish you're going to get, and it has given it that sort of like frosted finish. So that actually is the finish. Okay, so you can see now no longer is it a clear glass, it is beautifully frosted. So all the elements I've stuck on there, I've then gone over the top with some black acrylic paint, and then I'm just going to go and use the Opal Magic paints, and then I'll show you the finished result.